How to buy crypto coins on Phantom Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can buy crypto coins on Phantom Wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Phantom application on your mobile device and ensure that you are logged into your wallet account. Once you have the access to your wallet account, you will land on this home page. Here now you will need to locate the buy option or the icon in this main interface. You'll be able to see this option at the right side. Once you find it, simply tap on the buy button and then you will be taken to this page. From here now you will need to select the crypto that you would like to purchase from the available options. If you would like to select Solana, simply tap on Solana, and if you'd like to select any other cryptos, simply select the crypto from here. Once you select it, now you will need to input how much fiat currency you would like to convert into that crypto. Once after entering it, you will need to now choose a payment method such as credit or debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay. You will need to review all the transaction details and then tap on the buy button at the bottom, and now you will be redirected to a third-party provider like MoonPay, Banksa or Binance Connect. Once you reach the official website, there you will need to log in to your account and then follow any additional verification steps required by this chosen payment provider. Here, if you haven't added the payment method, you will be required to do so, and after that you will need to select this payment method in order to finalize the process. Once it is successfully processed, you will be able to see your crypto on your Phantom wallet. So by following these steps, you should be able to buy crypto coins on Phantom wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.